Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam, and this is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos that I include at the end of the video. If you're interested in sending in photos for this, the email address is right here. I think I have a record number of people who sent photos, so I appreciate everyone who participated in that. And before that, I have a few photos I took right here at the garden center this week. One thing I want to go over on the channel, a couple months ago, I put up a video about how I had put individual plant varieties in playlist by whatever zone the plants grow in. We've had probably 3,000 or 4,000 new subscribers since then, which just absolutely blows my mind. So I kind of wanted to go over that again. A lot of the questions I get, I'll get a question like, I live in zone 6 and what do you think is the best screening plant for me? If I don't see that question and I don't get it answered, I answer a lot of the questions on YouTube. I get a lot of emails and things that I'm unable to return, especially in April and May. This is the time of year that I make whatever I'm going to make for the year. My year is going to be made in about 10 weeks this time of year. This YouTube thing is not really a paying gig. This is kind of my livelihood here. So during April and May and into early June, it's really kind of manic. So I don't get to all the questions right now. But if you did have that question, I live in zone 6 and I'm interested in a screening plant. I have all of the videos organized into playlist on the channel, and if you'll hit the link down below here, if you just hit the name of my channel, it carries you to the home page of my channel. Don't do it yet. But if you go to the home page of my channel, there's tabs up at the top, and one of the tabs is called playlist. Okay, as an example, this sunshine ligustrum video that I put up 2 days ago, that plant grows in zone 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it's in those 5 playlists. Okay, if you live in zone 6, it's in that playlist. That plant is a good foundation plant. I have a playlist called foundation plants. So if you were looking for a foundation plant in zone 6, you can, if it's on both of those lists, you can find it in your zone 6 list or on the foundation list, and then just search it in the search bar on the other list and quickly find out whether it's in both. That way, I'd like to create some more playlists like zone 6 screening plants or zone 6, but I have like 350 videos, so that's going to take a long time. I do have that idea in my brain, and it will happen at some point, but that may take several days to accomplish. But in the meantime, that plant's also a good screening plant. So there's a playlist called screening plants. So if you're in zone 8 and you're looking for a screening plant, you can go to the zone 8 playlist and the screening plant playlist, and if it's on both, it's for you. Also, it's a ligustrum. So I have individual playlists for groups of plants. So every ligustrum video I've ever shot, they're all in that playlist. Hopefully, I remembered that azaleas, when I did that azalea comparison video out here the other day, I've shot videos for most of those azaleas. They're in a playlist called azaleas. And I included that video in the azalea video to give people additional information on azaleas. So I try to keep it organized like that, and you may be able to answer questions and find a big resource for a lot of different screening plants for your area, or a lot of different foundation plants. There's a playlist called flowering shrubs, that may be helpful if you just want flowering plants. So anyway, thank you very much for subscribing and watching and sending in the photos and so on and so forth. This is a great community of folks that we're building here. A lot more visits have happened in the last 2 weeks to my garden center by subscribers, and I welcome you here. I am here more toward the end of the week, and I'm here on every weekend pretty much. So that's the best time to actually find me here. The rest of the week I tend to be buzzing around shooting videos or doing other business related things. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and here are the photos.